Best summer face moisturizers for each skin type. Facial moisturizers are a crucial part of your skincare routine. You can't avoid them as they are essential to keep your skin healthy and hydrated. You may think that oily skin or acne-prone skin can do without moisturizer, but that is not the case. If you skip moisturizer, you are bound to experience various skin concerns like acne, excess sebum, wrinkles, and dry and dull skin. This means that whether you have dry, oily, normal, combination, or acne-prone skin, you need the right moisturizer in your kitty. However, the wrong kind of moisturizer can break havoc on your skin, therefore, we have listed out the best moisturizers available in the market for each skin type. Normal skin, GlamGlow Waterburst Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. The perfect hydrator for normal skin, this product is light and offers about 72-hour continuous hydration. The formula is water-based and features a triple hyaluronic acid complex for instant and long-lasting hydration. The water is sourced from the volcanic island of Jeju, which means it is rich in essential minerals and is blended with blue nymph lily extract to deliver a hydrated glow like no other. This water cream will hydrate the skin and get rid of dryness and dullness by transforming it into soft, supple skin. Combination Skin, Innisfree The Green Tea Seed Serum. Formulated with freshly squeezed Jeju green tea and green tea seeds, this moisturizing serum is ideal for combination skin types. Since combination skin comprises of both dry and oily areas, this product helps provide moisture to these opposing skin types while maintaining the right balance. The green tea ingredient also helps keep acne in check, which is a concern of this skin type as well. This serum is rich in amino acids and minerals and helps keep the skin moisturized without looking greasy but rather glowy. Oily Skin, Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. This mattifying moisturizer by Plum stays true to its promise. It controls oil while keeping your skin free from acne, all with the power of natural ingredients. Silicone-free and non-comedogenic, this oily skin moisturizer hydrates skin without being greasy and is rich in antioxidants which keeps acne at bay. Glycolic acid in the formula helps keep skin clear while removing dead skin cells, and green tea extracts prevent acne from developing. Dry Skin, The Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. This vitamin E-enriched cream has a silky smooth texture that absorbs into the skin easily and treats dry skin with loads of moisture without being too heavy on the skin. Apart from vitamin E, which is a power ingredient for dry skin, the formula contains hyaluronic acid to plump up the skin and lock in moisture, and wheat germ oil for extra moisture, moisturizing and anti-aging benefits. This cream will make for a great dry skin moisturizer for the summer. Acne-prone skin, Clinique Anti-Blemish Solutions Clearing Treatment. If you have lots of trouble with acne, you need a super moisturizer to heal your skin and fight off acne effectively. This oil-free moisturizer by Clinique does just that. It contains salicylic acid, which is the best acne-fighting ingredient, which exfoliates dead skin cells, thoroughly unclogs pores, and gets rid of bacteria. This moisturizer also provides lightweight hydration and calms any irritation associated with acne. It has a soothing effect on the skin. The product is allergy tested, dermatologically tested, and is paraben-free. Tell us about your experience in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe.